now.
So, today I am again at Francis Busuttil Sons Limited, with Valsoia, with the people who manage Valsoia and Malta, who, as you all know, they are the main sponsors of Malta Meat Free Week. I have Mark, I have Chris. Behind the scenes there is Kinga, as we always say, it's the women who control everything behind the scenes, and here we have it.
That's true.
Hats off to Kinga, who has been very supportive. Chris as well, from his side, and Mark, who has become super enthusiastic about Malta Meat Free Week. I must say, as a Malta Meat Free Week, we have found the best of support from Francis Busuttil Sons, from your team, and I heartily thank you for the support.
And we also would like to thank you, Derek, because all this awareness is basically coming from your end. If you didn't decide to do this, we wouldn't have done it in the first place. So thank you. We are loving this. We love working with you. We also have all the team within
sales reps, merchandisers, even the shops.
Participating. So I would also, in my heart, thank all these people who have been vital for the success of this initiative, and of course the challenge.
Yes, and obviously Valsoia also themselves have
yes. We have also found, we always found support from Valsoia, and we would like also to thank our supplier from here, because we always find support, and all this is happening because we are a very good team all together.
I can vouch for that.
Thank you.
Mark, but now you've said the nice things. Now I need to pick on you a bit, because last week you told us that you were going to print all the recipes, and that you were going to come with a pile of recipes, and I'm seeing you empty-handed.
You got me a bit off guard here.
Not here.
No. You got me off guard. Before I actually answer that question, let's go a bit back. Basically, I promised you that day that I was going to go into maltameatfreeweek.com and join, which I did.
Well done.
Which I did.
Yes, I did as well. Yes.
Good. Kinga?
Long time ago.
Long time ago.
For the recipes, you're right. Yes, I had to print them all, but I didn't, because I have something even better today. I'm going to eat all this next week. So what's better than that? I can do many things next week with all these Valsoia products here.
Which I believe there are around 50 Valsoia products in all.
Yes, in all, including the frozen, ice cream, and also the ambient. In total, we have around 50 different products to choose from.
But this is an important point that Mark is mentioning, because many people who are trying to go on a meat-free diet will start questioning and asking about, what am I going to do? What am I going to eat? What shall I do? The easiest and the safest way to go into a meat-free diet is to see what you normally eat and try to substitute it with meat-free alternatives. So, example, if you are normally eat an unhealthy burger, which we can give you unhealthy descriptions at a later stage about, you can remove the unhealthy burger and choose a burger from Valsoia, which is obviously will give you the same tastiness, the same effect, but you've removed the unhealthy product and you've put in the beauty of our live system is that it decided to it's so that we make sure that we're all awake and all so you substitute, you change the product, and you can use meat alternatives. Yes. One other thing you were going to say is, you're going to tell me that inside the products there are?
Well, it is high in protein, so those who are replacing and substituting protein, they have no problem, because they're still going to benefit from the protein in some of these products.
Yes.
And also, may I mention as well, they are low in saturated fat. So even when you're taking a pizza, we're taking burgers, fettine, whatever, they are low in saturated fat. So it's a very important thing to mention for consumers out there.
Now we need to say that Chris is all the time mentioning on the saturated fat because he's on a diet.
Yes.
But obviously, we tell him the best way to go on a diet is to go vegan. So you have the chance to go vegan and show us how much you've lost in a week.
I'm taking this opportunity to try to go vegan for 1 week. But actually, when we say 1 week, I need to say something else. Because last time we met, we told everybody that we're starting on Monday, and I have a new surprise.
What do you have?
Well, we are going. Don't look at me. So we're starting this offer from tomorrow, 19th of October.
Well done.
So
well done.
The offer is
The offer is 25% discount on all products. As Mark mentioned, frozen, ambient, and ice cream, all products of Valsoia are going to be with 25% discount.
so to be clear, every product that has a Valsoia logo on it is on 25%
Yes.
from
Yes.
Friday till Sunday afterwards,
Yes.
to the 28th.
Confirmed.
So I can go to the supermarket and buy 1 month's supply of Valsoia
Yes, you can.
and get the 25% off.
You will not be stopped.
100%.
The
Recommendation, Valsoia have opened their arms, they're giving the 25%, stock whatever you can.
The most important thing to mention here is that yes, it is confirmed we are giving a 25% discount on all Valsoia products. However, this is going to be available in those shops participating in the Malta Meat Free Week.
Yes.
This is very important. Of course, we cannot mention the names of the shops, but everyone can go into the website maltameatfreeweek.com and check all the shops participating in this initiative. In addition to this, we have also placed leaflets and posters
Yes.
in these shops for everyone to recognize that the challenge is also happening there. So this is something that I wanted also to.
We would like also to have customers choosing the right products of Valsoia by these posters that Mark is mentioning right now.
One should mention that there are around 120 participating shops now across the island. The shops on the website are listed by locality, so whichever town or village or city you live in, they are in alphabetical order, and you can find which shops are participating.
Yes.
In some cases there are bigger cities which have got 6 shops, in others there are less, but by and large, even in Gozo, there are
Yes.
participating
Yes.
shops. So we make sure that even our Gossamer brothers and sisters have
The opportunity to participate in this challenge.
One thing which I wanted to emphasize, because here we have these products, is that the Valsoia offer of 25% is also on the tiramisu ice cream. For those who have all been drooling about it,
Yeah.
because the tiramisu ice cream is to die for. It is also on the ice creams, correct?
Yes.
So not just on the fridge section, but also in the frozen and in the okay.
It's like you have a 3-course meal.
Yes, you can
Or
start
dessert, everything.
You can-
If you want to drink something,
some vegan meat-free milks as well of the full range, which now you have recently introduced
Yes.
some new milks.
Yes. Recently we have introduced the coconut almond milk, which is here, and we have also introduced the walnut, which is very important to say that this is something that no one has. So try it out. It's a very nice taste. Try it out because it's nice to taste it out.
Yes.
The milks are fantastic for those in breakfast. Obviously, we want to take maybe a cereal, some tea or coffee. We all love also in the afternoon tea. Once you get used to this type of milk, you, like me, will not switch back to normal milk. Okay, I think we can sum it up today. I want to again thank Valsoia and Francis Busuttil Sons for their mega support. They've distributed the posters across the island, the leaflets, they've been everywhere, they've done everything. A big hug to all of you and all your team. Thanks to you. I have to also emphasize that it was Valsoia which was the first company which believed in the challenge, and then after that we went on. And today we are close to the challenge happening,
Yes.
months of work, and we're nearly there. So for those of you who haven't joined us yet, please do join. And for those who have joined, courage, it's easy to do.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.